The Thunder are making noise in the West. The Oklahoma City Thunder dominated the Cleveland Cavaliers 134 to 114. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander was unstoppable, dropping 40 points and 8 assists in just 3 quarters. A massive 30-2 run buried the Cavs early as OKC shot over 60% through 3 quarters. Donovan Mitchell struggled, finishing with just 8 points on 3 of 15 shooting. The Cavs couldn't handle the pressure, coughing up 21 turnovers to the Thunder's 6. Even without Isaiah Hartenstein, OKC flexed their depth and defense.